Hi there, folks. I'm Kirk. I'm back again here today. Beautiful, sunny in North Carolina. Uh, March? About 70 degrees today. Beautiful, sunny. Today I'm gonna cover, like I promised, that I'm gonna do some detail on this bad boy, and then throw some wax on it. A Honda pressure washer. uh, it's a Simpson 3200 psi pressure washer. So here we go. I'm throwing the degreaser on, and you can use any kind of degreaser, automotive degreaser, anything like that, or car washing detergent as well, but I prefer using this. A little bit touch to get some hard embedded grass or anything like that on, just a little bit touch, and the rest with the pressure washer would take it off. All right, here we go. Start this bad boy up. Low on gas. Sorry, premix. Let's fire this bad boy up again. All right, folks, this is what I use to polish and seal, protect the paint. This is the best, in my opinion, F11 Pro. The product is amazing. You can use any other polish and seal from any store or auto parts store. By the way, it's called Top Coat F11 Pro. Give it a light mist. Wipe, just like doing on your own car, to protect the paint. This on anything, glass, molding, trim, plastic, you name it. It protects it all. You can see I'm applying on the plastic gas tank here. Protect it from the sun, heat, whatever. Bit like that. Also, there's a one that it's Top Coat F11, the classic one. It's available as well. Those are great as well. This one is basically a new sealer and polisher. Just costs just a little bit more than the other one. Whatever one you prefer. Just a very light mist. You don't have to apply a lot. You know, maybe twice a year you want to do, especially on your car. You might want to also throw a tire shine to protect the tire as well, the rubber. You can use tire dressing. I'm going to show you the one I use, and you apply it once, it lasts over a year. It doesn't come off, okay? This is the product I use for my automotive tire dressing. Any tires. This bad boy here, you apply it one time, it sticks. It doesn't come off easily. Man, it works so good. So I'm gonna apply on my lawnmower tire. This will last over a year before I can apply again. There we go. You can use any tire dressing or anything else. Or you don't want to protect it at all, just your option. All right. looks milky color, but once they dry and adhere to the tire, the rubber, it becomes shiny glazed. Let's have a walk around this bad boy lawnmower after its complete detail and walk around. Look at that bad boy. Bright yellow, my favorite color. Wow. As you can see here, voila. Now this bad boy is ready for its first cut. Clean cut. Stay tuned.